Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular dash cams, the GKU Dash Cam front and rear and the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K. In today's video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. The GKU model boasts a dual camera system with 4K front recording, while the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers a compact design with 2K resolution. We'll compare their video quality, installation ease, and additional features like GPS support and parking monitoring. Stay tuned as we uncover which dash cam stands out in this head-to-head comparison. When it comes to video quality, the GKU Dash Cam offers an impressive 4K resolution for its front camera, ensuring that you capture every detail on the road. In contrast, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K provides a solid 2K resolution, which is still quite good, but does not match the clarity of 4Ks. This difference in resolution can be crucial for capturing important details like license plates or road signs, especially in critical situations. The GKU Dash Cam features a dual camera setup, allowing for both front and rear recording, which enhances your coverage while driving. This is particularly useful for capturing incidents that may occur behind your vehicle. On the other hand, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is designed as a single front-facing camera, which may suffice for many users but lacks the comprehensive coverage provided by a dual system. In terms of additional features, the GKU Dash Cam does not offer a GPS option, which may be a drawback for users who want to track their speed and location. Conversely, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K supports an optional GPS module, allowing for enhanced tracking capabilities. Both models offer parking monitoring, but this feature requires a hardwire kit for continuous operation, which is sold separately for both products. In conclusion, both the GKU Dash Cam and the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K have their strengths and weaknesses. The GKU offers superior video quality and a dual camera system, making it ideal for comprehensive coverage. However, the Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K provides a more compact design and optional GPS functionality. Depending on your specific needs, either dash cam could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.